AI is quietly destroying thousands of office jobs in America. Companies are replacing workers with software, automation, and artificial intelligence. And for the first time in years, many Americans are starting to ask a dangerous question. Will my job even exist in the future? But while everyone rushes towards screens, coding, and AI, one old-school skill is quietly making a comeback: woodworking. And the crazy part? You can start learning this skill with less than $6. For years, people believed college degrees and office jobs guaranteed a stable future. But today, many Americans are buried in student debt, working stressful jobs, while AI slowly replaces the same work they spent years learning. AI writes articles. AI edits videos. AI creates designs. AI answers customer support calls. Even large companies are laying off workers faster than ever before. And now, millions of people are searching for skills that feel safer. Skills connected to the real world. Skills machines can't fully copy. That's why blue-collar and handcrafted careers are slowly becoming valuable again. Woodworking is the art of building furniture, cabinets, decoration pieces, and custom handmade products using wood. And in America, handcrafted furniture is becoming premium again. Why? Because mass-produced products feel cheap and lifeless. People want something unique, something real, something made by human hands. That's why custom furniture makers can charge hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars for a single handmade table. In a world filled with AI-generated content and factory-made products, human-made craftsmanship suddenly feels rare, and rare things become valuable. Now here's the best part. You don't need a college degree to start woodworking. You don't need expensive equipment, and you don't need years of training before making money. Today, anyone can start learning this skill from home. Thousands of free woodworking tutorials are available on YouTube. Most beginners start with basic cutting, sanding, wood carving, and simple furniture projects. You can buy a beginner carving tool or chisel set for less than $6. Use scrap wood. Practice small projects first. A shelf, a coffee table, a phone stand, anything. That's exactly how many professional woodworkers started. Small skills, repeated consistently. Here's something most people still don't understand. AI replaces repetition, but handcrafted work is emotional. Machines can produce furniture, but they struggle to recreate human creativity, imperfections, artistic choices, and personal style. That's exactly why handmade products may become more valuable in the AI era. The more digital life becomes, the more people crave authentic human-made things. And this trend is already happening across America, especially among younger people tired of mass production and fake digital culture. In the United States, skilled woodworkers can earn anywhere from $40,000 to over $100,000 a year, especially in custom furniture and luxury woodworking. And thanks to social media, this skill is no longer limited to local workshops. Today, woodworkers make money through YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Etsy, custom furniture orders, online stores, and even online courses. For many people, woodworking is no longer just a hobby. It's becoming a serious business. Maybe the future doesn't belong only to programmers and AI engineers. Maybe the safest careers will belong to people who still know how to build something real with their own hands. And maybe, while the world becomes more artificial, Human craftsmanship will become more valuable than ever before, but they will always value human creativity. Subscribe for more future-proof careers that could survive the AI revolution. Because the future of work is changing faster than most people realize. The question is, will you be ready?